Hello and welcome. In this video, we're diving into an exciting new AI tool that's making waves, Google VO3. We'll cover everything you need to know, including how to access and use it, and most importantly, how to write the best prompts to generate incredibly realistic videos. Let's get started. Google VO3 is an impressive AI video generator capable of creating high-quality, 8-second videos with native sound, including sound effects, ambient noise, and even dialogue. From text or image prompts, it excels in realism, physics, and prompt adherence. How to access Google VO3. Number 1, open your browser and navigate to the URL provided on your screen. The link is also in the description. Number 2, once on the website, simply click the Try Veo button. You'll then see the available Google Gemini packages. To use Google VO3, you'll need a Gemini subscription. Fortunately, Gemini offers a plan for $19, and the first month is free. This means you can try it out and generate videos without any hassle. To get started, simply click on the Get Started button under the Google AI Pro plan. You'll be prompted to provide your billing details. Enter them to subscribe to the plan. And that's it, you've successfully subscribed. Now, when you go to Gemini, you'll find a new video option on the prompt field. This option will allow you to generate videos using Google VO3. Generating your first video. You can enter a prompt such as generate a video of a boy playing football at the bank of a canal and the boy kicks the football. Google VO3 will begin generating the video, which typically takes 1 to 2 minutes. You'll be amazed at how creatively and effectively Google VO3 generates the video, complete with sounds. Crafting effective prompts for VO3. To generate the best videos with VO3, your prompt is the most crucial element. You should write your prompt in a script-like format that clearly explains the video's structure. Here's how you can write an excellent prompt and script to generate the best video. To write a script for a video using Google VO3, you'll be primarily focusing on crafting effective, detailed prompts. Think of it less as a traditional screenplay and more as a series of highly descriptive visual and audio cues. Here's a breakdown of how to approach it, along with a sample script format. Understanding VO3's strengths for scripting. To write effective scripts for VO3, you need to think like a filmmaker and provide comprehensive instructions. You can describe specific sounds, ambient noise, and even provide dialogue, and VO3 will attempt to generate it. It handles cinematic effects, camera movements, lighting, and realistic details very well. VO3 is good at sticking to your prompt and maintaining character-object consistency across similar prompts, though for drastically different scenes, you'll need new prompts. Remember this limitation. Your script will be a series of 8-second segments that you'll likely stitch together. Here are the key elements to include in your VO3 prompts. Number 1, subject. Who or what is in the scene? For example, a wise old owl, a man in a weathered green trench coat, a tiny mouse. Number 2, context, setting. Where is it happening? For example, high in the air, peeking through clouds, on a gritty brick wall, in a cozy forest den. Number 3, action. What is the subject doing? How are they moving or interacting? For example, circles are clearing, picks up a rotary phone, reading a book. Number 4, style, mood, lighting. Describe the aesthetic and emotional tone. For example, moonlit sky, eerie glow on a green neon sign, warm golden light, cinematic, animated. Number 5, camera, movement, composition. How should the camera move and frame the shot? For example, a follow shot, shaky dolly zoom, close-up, aerial shot, tilts upwards. Number 6, visual details, specific elements that enhance the scene. For example, tall sunflowers sway rhythmically, glowing monitors reflect on tired faces, cracked ground glowing slightly at the edges. Number 7, audio. This is crucial for VO3. Describe specific sounds, ambient noise, music, and even dialogue. For example, wings flapping, birdsong, loud and pleasant wind rustling, owl hooting, badgers' nervous chitters, low-key jazz, dialogue. What manner of magic is that? The owl hooted thoughtfully. Number 8, negative prompts. Optional but helpful. What you don't want to see. For example, no blurry images. Avoid cartoonish style. Sample video script format for Google VO3. Since VO3 generates short clips, your script will essentially be a sequence of highly detailed prompts, each designed to create a specific 8-second segment. You'd then use a video editor to combine these clips. Now we have created this video using the 3 different prompts. Here are these 3 prompts that are used to generate these scenes. Now here are the tips for writing effective VO3 prompts. Be specific and descriptive. The more detail you provide, the better VO3 can understand your vision. Use strong verbs and evocative adjectives. Break down complex scenes. If a scene is too long or has too many actions, break it into multiple 8-second prompts. Focus on visuals and audio. VO3's native audio is a powerful feature, so plan your soundscapes carefully. Experiment. AI video generation is still evolving. Don't be afraid to try different phrasings and iterate on your prompts to get the desired results. Consider continuity. While VO3 handles consistency well within similar prompts, plan how your separate 8-second clips will transition visually and narratively when edited together. Reference existing media. If you have a specific film or artistic style in mind, you can often include keywords like cinematic, Studio Ghibli style, shot on 35mm film, etc. By following this approach, you can effectively script your video ideas for Google VO3, leveraging its advanced capabilities to bring your creative visions to life in short, stunning segments. And there you have it. We've covered everything from accessing Google VO3 to crafting those detailed prompts that bring your ideas to life. I'm really excited to see what amazing videos you'll create with this tool. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more AI insights, and let me know in the comments what you're planning to make first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.